Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain, and in this video I will show you that how you can design your email template in Sendinblue. In the last video I show you that how you can design your email subscription form in Sendinblue, and in that video I designed a specific subscription form as per my target audience. So in this video I'm going to design an email template considering that subscription form. In that subscription form I'm offering a free muscle gain diet book to all those who will fill their email IDs and their name and they get subscribed to my email list. So I'm going to provide them this welcome message along with that email template. So watch this video till the end and I will going to show you step by step that how you can design your email template in Sendinblue. So to design an email template, all you have to do is simply click on templates. So as you can see, this is my active account. I'm already have a lot of email templates here right here because I'm having a lot of email automation right here. I have a different subscription form as per the different audience, and I'm offering different things. So we have to keep that in mind, and according to that we're going to design our template. So to design a email template, all we have to do is simply click here, new template. So you will come to this page, and here you have to do all the important settings, like you have to give the name to your template, you have to write your subject line, you have to write your preview text, you have to use the email ID which you want to use for sending emails, and from here you can customize the name which you want to display in their inbox. Here I must recommend you use the same title as you have given to your email subscriber form, because this, when someone's entered their email or name or email address, they're going to receive this mail. So for my understanding, because no one's going to see this in the system, so for my understanding I'm going to give this template name is. So from here you have to write your subject line. Like here you have an option to make it personalized. You remember that in the last video when I was creating the subscription form where I am taking two data, first name and email ID. So I want to display their first name and then the subject line will start. So to do that, I'm simply click here, and from here I have to select the attribute which I want to add in my subject line. So I must recommend you to go with the first name and just simply insert. Why? Because when you add some personalized element, their name in the subject line, that increases the chances that they're going to click on your email. And now you can write your subject line. So I will write get your muscle gain diet book. From here you will get an option to customize your preview text. So when you receive an email, you will find some preview text down below the subject line, so you can customize that as well. It's all up to you whether you just leave it blank or you want to customize it. I must recommend you to customize this preview text and add some call to action on that. So here I will write build muscle in 1 month with this muscle gain diet plan. So you have to write this kind of text. As you can see, this has call to action, build muscle. This one is a call to action. So those of you register, subscribe to my email list, when they read this, it's provoked them to click on my email. So once you're done with that, from here you also get an option to make it personalized. Here you also get to add some personalized element. I must recommend you not to include this, just leave it, write them simple text, then scroll it down, and from here you can able to change the email ID which you want to use for sending the email. As you can see, I have already 3 to 4 email IDs in this account, and these are my company email ID. So I'm going to use the company email ID. If you don't have your company email ID, you have to use it, because in that way you're going to increase the efficiency, your delivery rate will go high. And if you use the normal email ID, in that way what will happen, that you most probably going to land in the promotion tab or spam folder. So you must use your company email ID. Just simply select your company email ID, and from here if you want to add more email ID, you just simply click here, and from here you can able to add your custom domain email ID. From here you can able to customize the name, that what name you want to display in their inbox. You can write your company name, you can write your name, it's all up to you. Once you're done with the all setting, here you get some advanced feature as well. So if you want to do some advanced settings, you can do that as well. Just simply click here, and here you will find the option to do those advanced settings. I just recommend you leave these two column as it is, don't do any changes, because it's fully optimized as per your data, as per your email ID. So just leave it that way. And from here By checking this box, you can able to connect your Google Analytics. So if you want to see all your data, like how many people are opening your emails, how many clicks you are getting, how many people are coming to your websites, so you can able to track those data in your Google Analytics. So if you enable this and you will connect your Google Analytics account with this Sendinblue, you can able to find all the data in Google Analytics. From here you can able to add some tag, like if you want to give any specific tag to this message template, you can do that as well, because sometimes we have a lot of campaign and it became puzzle to find which one is which. So we can give a specific tag to this, and from here you can able to attach a file. Like as you remember that in my subscription form, I'm offering a free ebook to those of you who will subscribe to my email list. So I will provide that ebook. So for providing that, I will simply click here, and from here I will select my ebook. It will take a little bit time as per your internet speed, so just wait. As you can see, our file is successfully uploaded. You don't need to check this, just leave as it is. You don't need to create any mirror link. So as you can see, we have done with all the important settings. Once you're done with that, everything is look good, you just simply click next step. You will come to this place, and here we have to design our email template. Here you will get three options to design your email template. One with drag and drop editor, second one is rich text editor, and third one is paste your code. So if you have an HTML code, or if you have designed your own HTML code, you can simply copy the entire code and paste here. And if you want to use the simple text, you can go for this. But in this video, I'm going to use this drag and drop editor, because in this tutorial I'm going to use this drag and drop editor, where I would going to customize and add all the element which suits my brand. So I'm going to use this. But before I start making, let me tell you what it is. So from here you can find all the recent email message template which you have created. As you can see, I have created a lot of email template for my automation, so it's there. If I want to choose any of these, I can simply click and I will do the edit. From here, my template, here you will find all the existing template which already you have created since you have created this account. So you can all able to find all those email template right here. And from here you can find all the pre-built email template which you can use it for your email automation. Like as you can see, Sendinblue provide all these templates. You need to just open and just do the edit. So if you okay with all this template, you can simply select and you can start the editing. Or if you want to sort by categories, you can do that as well. Announcement, app tech, contest, e-commerce. So whatever industry you belong, you can simply pick any of these and just start the editing. And from here, if you want to import any email template from other account of Sendinblue, so you can copy the URL of that template and paste here and click on import button. So what it will happen, that email template will import in this account. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can design your own custom email template with drag and drop editor. So we'll click here, so you will come here, and here we have to design our email template. As you can see, Sendinblue provides you a pre-made email templates with all the layout settings. You can just simply use the existing one. If you find it's okay with that, so you can use the simple one. But here I'm going to remove all the element, and I will show you that how you can add elements and customize as for your brand title, as for your offering, whatever you are offering. So I'm not going to use this logo header. I will simply remove that, click on OK. I don't need this title. I will remove this one, I will remove this one, I remove this one, and I need these things. So the very first element I want to add in my email template is an image. So I will simply drag this and leave it here. And for adding the image, all you have to do, simply double click here, and from here you will select your image which you want to add. If you want to upload image, simply click here, and from here you can upload the image. So the image I'm going to use it for my email message is this one. So I will simply drag and leave it here. And the second element I want to add is a title. So I will click here, I will take this title and I will drag it here and just leave it. I don't need this one, so let me remove this one, title. So I'm going to add my title. I will give this is going to be my title. You can able to set the alignment, you can able to adjust the size of this like font, what size you want, 16, whatever you want. You can able to change the color as well, so make sure you can keep the color as per your brand. If you don't know how to find the color of your brand, so all you have to do is simply install this one, this Chrome extension, click on this and just take the cursor wherever you want to, which like whatever the color you want to pick, simply click on this and it will automatically copy the color. So simply do that and click again back here. From here you have to do go on more color and just simply paste the hexa code of the color, this one, and click OK. So as you can see that I got the color. So let me color the entire text. Just go there, paste the hexagon code and OK. So this is how you're going to change the color of your email template. You can adjust the height, you can make it personalized even. So we need just simple text like this. I want to set the alignment of this text, so I will simply click here, I will left, so it will adjust the alignment. So the third element I want to use it image plus text, so I will drag this one and I will drop here. Here I'm going to add the cover image and title my description. Here as you can see I have a button here. I'm going to customize it. I'm going to give a download link here, so simply let me customize that. So to upload image, again double click and just pick the image which you want. I'm going to choose this one. I will simply drag and I will leave it here. For title I will simply there and paste this one. Again for the text I will select this and I will and paste here. Now I want to change the font of these text. So for changing the font, all I have to do, simply click here and go to font family. From here you can able to select the font, like I'm going to Georgian, this one. From this also I'm going to choose Georgian. From this also I'm going to pick the same font. Remember one thing, that you have to use one font throughout the entire email, which whatever fonts you have on your website as your brand follow, you have to use the same font. So now I'm going to change the color of this title. So I will simply click on the extension, I will pick the color, I will double click on this, I will go here more color and I will just simply paste my code and just OK. So my text is changed. Now I would change this button color into black, so I will again click on this and from here I will change the background. I don't need to change the background, I'll just leave it white. I will scroll it down and I want to change the color of button. You can, from here you can set the alignment where you want left or right, you want big or small, that's all you can customize easily. So I just make it small, I don't want big. This looks good. And from here you can able to add spacing, like how much space do you want, like this is the way, this is how you can adjust the spacing. So now let me change the color of this button. Just simply double click and from here you can change the color. I will simply take black. I want to change the font, the same format I'm going to use. I want to change the text. I will simply add download now. I want to have changed the form, or if I will simply from here you can paste the link wherever you want to send the traffic. Like if you want to send them in your website to download this PDF file, you can do that as well. But as you remember that we have uploaded that PDF file in that, so they will receive in the mail, and or they will, you can also provide a link to download from any specific place. It's all up to you that how you want to use this. So if you don't want this, you can simply remove this element. So once you are done with the settings, now I'm going to add the fourth element. So now I'm going to add another element, same title. So I will simply copy this part, this one, copy this one, and I will simply drag and just bring it down here, and I will change the text where I'm going to talk about myself, that who am I. Why I'm telling you that, it's a welcome message where you have to introduce yourself, that who you are. So the person who will receive this mail, they will come to know that this is the reason why they are receiving this mail, and it will help you to for your brand awareness. So I always recommend you, whenever you send any welcome message, you should talk about yourself, or maybe if you are a brand, you can talk about your brand, that what are the service you provide, in very short. Don't write too many things, just short. So here I'm providing about myself, that so Who am I? Now I will take this text element, I will simply drag and leave it here. And here I'm going to write about myself. I will select all this and paste what I want to display about myself. So here, as you can see, that I have written something about myself. So you can even customize this one as well. You can increase the font size or decrease the font size. I will go for 16 because it's quite small. Yeah, this looks good. I want to change the font family, so I will go for Georgian. So this one is look good. And I also want to change the color of the background, so I will click this here, and from here you can select the color. So I'm going to use the exact color, same color like this color, because I want to maintain the colors throughout the emails. So this is my primary color for my websites or for my business, so I'm going to use the same color and paste it right at the background. So again, I'm going to use this color picker tool, bring it here. I will copy the code and simply again click here, and I will click here, and here I will paste the hexagon code and simply enter. As you can see, this text is black, so it's not quite visible, so I have to make it white. I will simply select this one, and from here I'm going to change the color of text. So it's look good, it's quite visible, the font size is good, and I think I need to increase a little bit. Let's make 16. Yeah, this looks good. So this is how it's going to look. I need to add some more element, like so here I'm going to use one more element, this one. And here I'm going to promote two of my best content, like whether you want to send them on your website, on YouTube, whatever you want to promote, you're going to do that. So here I'm promoting my YouTube videos where I have explained, talked about weight loss, weight gain. So those videos I'm going to promote. So to promote that, again you have to do the same thing. Simply upload the image, double click, and I want to promote this video, and I want to promote this video. I will simply drag it the image and just leave it here. I have to change the title. So if you haven't watched this video, you can simply click and you can watch where I have explained everything about the chest, how to get apps. So these are the best videos which you can go and you can watch where I have explained everything. Now let's move to the designing. Here you can also get some more options, like if you want to increase the height of this button, so you can do that by simply this way. But I want 32, it's look good. If you want to increase the size, you can radius, that's all you can do. It's fully customizable, you can just play around with, you can able to learn more. So if you want to do any changes in the alignment, you can do that by clicking here center or right or wherever you want to keep. I just want to make it center because that's look good. I want to click here, and I just simply click on the text, and from here I'm going to make it center. Now I'm going to use one more element, which is this text editor. I will simply click here and I will leave it here, and I'm going to change the text. I will simply copy and I will change it. I want to use one more element, so I will simply use this one and drag it here and just simply write my text. Just select this all and just write your text. I just make it center line. The other one is also make it center line. I don't want this one, so I'm going to remove this part. I'm going to remove that one. Now from here you can edit your company profile, like my company name is DHD DAULAT Daulat HUSSAIN and Hussain TNE as fitness OMMUNITY community. From here you can give the official email ID of your company. Just simply cut this, just remove that. SU LATHUSSAIN Hussain. So if you guys want to know anything, you can simply mail on this email ID and I will able to help you. I'm not going to include so many social icon. I just want to include my two social profile. Here I recommend you never add all your social media profile in your email. Just add two of them, because when you give too many options, the click-through rate goes down. So here I want to promote and send them to my Instagram or Facebook. So I will simply click here, and as you can see from here, you can able to pick that which social media you want to display in your message template. So I don't want Twitter, I don't want this, I don't want LinkedIn, I just want Instagram, I don't want YouTube as well. So from what you have to do, just click on this and you have to paste your, from here you can able to paste the URL of your Facebook account, and from here you can able to paste your Instagram URL. You can able to do the changes in the spacing, like you want to increase the spacing size, you can do that just this way, but 20 looks good. I don't want to do that. You can change the alignment, that top bottom wherever you want. And here the best part, like you have to, you get few options to customize as per your theme. So here I will go with, no, not this one. I will go with, yeah, this looks good. I'm going to add some color at the background so it will look good. So for adding the color again thing, I will click here. I will pick the color with this picker tool, simply copy the color, drag and drop, click here, and from here I'm going to add color at the background. Simply paste. Again I will do this with the same, with this one also, copy and paste. With this also I do the same, paste. I need to change the color of the text, like I make it white. Simply select, make it white, copy and select the color white. From here I'll do the exact copy, change the color. So as you can see, I have changed the color of the text. I have added some color at the background as per my brand. I want to make this also, I want to add some color at the background as well. So this one also, I will simply click here and I will go here and I will change the background color of this as well, paste. And now I have to change the text also. Font, I'm going to add, I'm just simply drag here and just make it white. I want to pick the font family is Georgian. Yeah, this one also Georgian, this one also Georgian, this one also Georgian. So as you can see that I have designed my complete message template. I have promoted two of my videos. I have added a button where I want to send them to my website, and I have to add one more element at the bottom. So I'm going to here and just take this one, view in browser. I recommend you to add this element. So when what happens that when someone's open this email in their message template, and if they want to check into their browser to say, they can simply click here and they can view in their browser. So I need to make it, so I need to make it I need to change the font family, and I need to change the link color, like I'll make it white. I need to add the color at the background because I want to keep the same color throughout my email template. So I'm going to use the same color. So this is how my final message template is going to look. So when someone enter their email address and name in that subscription form, they're going to receive this email template. I'm going to send them this one. So this is how it's going to look. So once you are done with all the designing part or your creativity, you can just simply click on this save as a test email. So this will what it will do. So before you do that, just make sure that you just save this entire template. Now our template is completely ready. So now what I can do, I'm going to test this email message template, that when someone receive in their inbox, how it's going to look in the phone or in the desktop. So let me show you that. So for doing that, let me click on this send a text email, and here you have to type the email address where you want to receive this test email. So I will select this one and I will click on here. It will send an email in my email address where I can just check that how it's looking in my inbox. So just wait for a moment. As you can see that they have successfully sent the email, so just click OK, and now you have to go back to your email account and you have to check that how it's look. So let me do that. So as you can see, I'm in my email account, and this is how you're going to receive the email. Like as you can see, it looks very professional because I have used the same color throughout my emails. I have added do call to action, so when someone want to watch the video, they can simply click here and they can watch the video. If someone wants to download this PDF file from website, they can do that as well. So it's look good, very professional, everything is good. Then you have to go back to your Sendinblue account. So here I'm okay with the template. So what I can do, I can simply save and quit. You will come to this page. This is how your email template is going to look on the desktop. If you want to check how it will look on phone, you can just simply click, and this is how you're going to look on the phone. This is the designing part. This is how you're going to design your email template in Sendinblue. In the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can set this email template in automation, so you don't need to send one by one to those people who are registering in your email list. We're going to automate this message. We're going to set an automation, so when someone register their email address and name in through that subscription form, they're going to receive this email automatically. So don't forget to watch the next video where I'm going to explain that how you can do automation in Sendinblue. So see you there.